Want to create stunning videos for Instagram or TikTok? Add glitch effects to your videos easily with ShotCut free video editor. With glitch video effects, you can edit videos for social media to the next level. Subscribe for more video editing tips now. After selecting the aspect ratio for your video, you can add in the glitch effects by browsing our library. ShotCut Video Editor has a range of free and premium glitch video effects for you to choose from. You can adjust the duration of your video effect. Make sure the video effect is applied to your entire clip so it looks seamless. Enjoy your glitch video effects edit. Download ShotCut Video Editor for free on Google Play Store now.